Misplaced and dangling modifiers are common errors in writing that can make sentences confusing or unintentionally humorous. Understanding these errors and knowing how to correct them will improve the clarity and effectiveness of your writing. What are misplaced modifiers? A misplaced modifier is a word, phrase, or clause that is improperly separated from the word it modifies or describes. Because of the separation, the sentence may convey an unintended meaning. Here's an example. Incorrect. She almost drove her kids to school every day. Correct. She drove her kids to school almost every day. In the incorrect sentence, almost improperly modifies drove her kids, suggesting that the action of driving the kids to school was not completed. The correct sentence clarifies that the action of driving to school happened nearly every day. What are dangling modifiers? A dangling modifier is a word or phrase that modifies a word not clearly stated in the sentence. A dangling modifier cannot logically describe the subject of the sentence, often leading to confusion or a ridiculous interpretation. For example, incorrect. Having finished the assignment, the TV was turned on. Correct. Having finished the assignment, she turned on the TV. In the incorrect sentence, it sounds like the TV completed the assignment, which is impossible. The corrected version clearly indicates that she, the subject, finished the assignment and then turned on the TV. How to correct misplaced and dangling modifiers. To correct these errors, you must place the modifier next to the word it is supposed to modify. Make sure the sentence includes a clear and logical subject for the modifier. Here are some steps to follow. Identify the modifier. Determine what the modifier is trying to describe or modify. Find the target. Locate the word that the modifier is supposed to modify. Reposition. Move the modifier next to its target word. Rephrase if necessary. Sometimes, simply moving the modifier isn't enough, and the sentence may need to be rewritten for clarity. Examples of corrections. Here are some more examples to help illustrate how to correct misplaced and dangling modifiers. Misplaced. On her way home, Jan found a gold man's watch. Corrected. On her way home, Jan found a man's gold watch. Dangling. Walking into the room, the painting caught his eye. Corrected. Walking into the room, he was caught by the painting. Conclusion. Misplaced and dangling modifiers can easily lead to confusion or misinterpretation in your writing. By carefully placing modifiers near the words they describe and ensuring that the subject of the sentence is clear, you can make your sentences more precise and easier to understand. Always reread your sentences to check for these common errors, and revise as necessary to maintain clarity and effectiveness in your communication. Remember, clear writing reflects clear thinking. This has been a production of D&J Designs and Mathman 1962. If you want to be notified when new videos are posted, please click on the subscribe button. Adult education instructional materials available at https://edtech.dnjdesigns.org.